students. In this class, I will be doing class 10, third chapter, CBSE syllabus, third chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. In that already I have completed 5 exercise. I was doing exercise 3.6, first subdivision over, now second subdivision. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solution. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So now we will take the time taken by one woman be x days and one man be y days. So let the time taken by one woman be x days and one man be y days. So according to the question, first equation we will write it as, it is given 2 women. So 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so then second condition is 3 women. So 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so now in the denominator we are having variable. So let 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. So 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4. So we will get, when we cross multiply this, 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. So this is the first equation. Then the same thing only we are simplifying it. So then next one is 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. So when we cross multiply, we will get this as 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. Okay, so first equation is 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. Second equation is 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. So these two we will simplify. So we will simplify using substitution method. So second equation 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. So 9a is equal to 1 minus 18b. So a is equal to 1 minus 18b by 9. Okay, so this is the a value that we will substitute it in the first equation. So first equation is 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. So a we got it as 8 into 1 minus 18b by 9. Okay, plus 20b is equal to 1. So this one is 8 minus 18 into 8 into 18b by 9. So this one by 9, this is 8 by 9. 8 into this two terms have 9 as the denominator, common denominator. So 1 by 9 minus 18b by 9. So 8 by 9 minus 8 into 18b by 9 plus 20b is equal to 1. So in this one, 8 by 9 we will get 8 by 9 minus 9 2s are 18. So 8 2s are 16. So minus 16b plus 20b is equal to 1. So this one when we simplify we will get 4b is equal to 1 minus 8 by 9. So this one will be 9 1s are 9, 9 minus 8 by 9. So 4b is equal to 9 minus 8 by 9. So b is equal to 9 by 1 by 9 into 4. So I will get b value as 1 by 36. So this is my b value. Then this b value I will substitute it in a. So a I will get A is equal to 1 minus 18 into 1 by 36 divided by 9. So this is equal to 1 minus 18 twos are 36. So 18 twos are 36 minus 1 by 2 divided by 9. So this is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2 divided by 9. So this is 1 by 2 into 9. So 1 by 18. So this is the A value. So I got A value as 1 by 18 and B value as 1 by 36. Now I need to find the value of X and Y. So now I need to find the value of X and Y. So 1 by X I have taken it as A. So 1 by X is equal to A value I got it as 1 by 18. 1 by 18. So X is equal to 18. Okay. Then 1 by Y is equal to B. So B value I got it as 1 by 36. So Y is equal to 36. Okay. So X is equal to 18 and Y is equal to 36. So find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work. So we have taken X days and Y days. Therefore, one woman can finish the work in 18 days, and one man can finish the work in 36 days. So this is my answer. Okay. In summers, Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. So what is the total kilometer? Travelled 300 km. So 60 km by train means remaining by bus. So that remaining will be 240 km. Okay. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus. So total is 300. In that 100 she is travelling by train. So the remaining 200 by bus. So this is remaining 200. This one is remaining 240. Okay. She takes 10 minutes longer. Actually, in this, if she is travelling 60 km and 240 km by bus, she will take 4 hours. But if she is taking 100 km by train and the remaining 200 by bus, she will take 10 minutes extra. That is 4 hours, 10 minutes she will take. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Okay, so now we will take, let the speed of the train be, x kilometer per hour. Speed of the train we will take it as x kilometer per hour, and the speed of the bus is equal to y kilometer per hour. Okay, so to the question. First condition is 60 by train. So 60 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 4. Okay. Then second condition is 100 by train. So 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 4 hours 10 minutes. So 4 plus 10 by 60. So 4 is in hours, 10 is in minutes only. So that minutes also we need to convert it to hours. Now, so we will take 1 by x is equal to A and 1 by y is equal to B. So the first equation will become 60A plus 240B is equal to 4. Then the second will be 100A plus 200B is equal to, this one we can cancel, we will get 25 by 4. So if we cross multiply this, we will get 400A plus 800B is equal to 25. Okay, so now 60A 25 by 6 here. So this is 100A plus 200B is equal to 25 by 6. So this one when we multiply by 6, we will get 600 into 1200 is equal to 25. Okay, denominator we are having 6 only. Okay, so it is 25 by 6. So now if we multiply this equation by 10, we will get 600A plus 2400B is equal to 40. Okay, so this is the first equation. Then second equation, 600A plus 1200B is equal to 25. So when we simplify this by subtracting, we will get A will be eliminated. So we will get 1200B is equal to 15. So B is equal to 15 by 1200. So B is equal to 1 by 80. Okay, so now we got B value. Now substituting this B value in the first equation. So first equation is 60A plus 240B is equal to 4. Okay, so 60A plus 240 into B value is 1 by 80 is equal to 4. So 80 3 times we will get. So 60A plus 3 is equal to 4. So 60A is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So A is equal to 1 by 60. But we want X and Y value only. So X is equal to 1 by X is equal to A. A what we got? 1 by X is equal to 1 by 60. So X is equal to 60. Okay. So the same way 1 by Y is equal to B. So 1 by Y is equal to B, we got it as 1 by 80. So Y is equal to 80. So what is the question given? Let the speed of the train, what we have taken, speed of the train is 6 km per hour. We are asked to find that only. Find the speed of the train and the bus. So speed of train is 60 km per hour and speed of bus is 80 km per hour. This is how it has to be done. Okay, so with this I am completing this exercise. Today's class also I am completing. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.